First, configure the camera settings. Set the Wi-Fi frequency band to 2.4 GHz. Next, turn off access authentication settings. Finally, open the camera to the Wi-Fi connection screen. Check and note down the password shown on this screen. Do not close this screen yet. Now perform the Wi-Fi connection on the monitor. Tap the screen to bring up the menu, tap Camera, then select and turn on Wi-Fi. Tap Add New Device, locate and select this camera. After entering the password, tap Confirm. Wait a moment. Once the monitor displays the control panel, it means the camera has been successfully connected. When you turn on the monitor again in the future to connect to the camera, you do not need to re-enter the password. However, you must open the camera to the Wi-Fi Direct info screen each time, only then will the camera's Wi-Fi signal become active. This is because Sony cameras normally keep their Wi-Fi signal turned off. The signal only turns on when this specific info screen is displayed. On the monitor, simply go to the My Devices section, find this camera, and tap Connect. Tap Rec, starts or stops video recording on the camera. Tap Iris, adjusts the aperture value. Tap Shutter, adjusts the shutter speed. Tap ISO, adjusts the ISO sensitivity. Tap Focus in AF mode, enables touch focus and touch tracking directly on the monitor. In MF mode, use the buttons on the control panel to adjust focus. Tap Zoom. Use the buttons on the control panel to control zoom. Note, the zoom function only works when the lens attached is a power zoom lens or the camera's zoom mode is set to digital zoom. The following are the steps to set the camera's zoom mode. Tap WB, selects or changes the white balance mode. When white balance is set to K, tap CT to adjust the color temperature. When ISO is set to auto or the camera is in automatic modes, tap EV to adjust the exposure compensation value.